Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix on 4K Pro Google TV No Sound Audio Output Settings Guide. Fix 1. Restart the on 4K Pro. First press and hold the power button on the remote. From there select restart and now wait for the device to reboot and test the audio again. Fix 2. Check audio output settings. First open settings, now go to the display and sound section. From there select audio output and make sure the correct output device is selected. TV speakers, HDMI, ARC/EARC, soundbar or receiver. Then test the sound again. Fix 3. Disable surround sound. Open settings. From there go to display and sound. Now select advanced sound settings and change surround sound from automatic to none or never use surround sound. Then restart the device. Fix 4. Check HDMI connection. Disconnect the HDMI cable and then reconnect it securely. Now try a different HDMI port on the TV and if available, test with another HDMI cable. Fix 5. Update Google TV software. Open settings. From there, go to System. Now go to About and select System Update. Now install any available updates and restart the On 4K Pro. Thank you for watching and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.